Hi friend! Marian here. So share ko sa inyo ang ating haul from book sale in Robinson's Lipa, Batangas. Yan. Part of our library yan. Sharing with Tin and Cathy. So gusto din yung mga books natin. So we have a few. So first is The Leadership Road Less Travel. Ayan, magagamit natin sa seminars and training. Stay in the boat. And other things which I'd known. So, spiritual journal. Happy, healthy brain. Ayan, engage your brain with puzzle, mazes, word searches, and more. So, we can use sa ating mga icebreakers sa seminars. And this one, Strengthen Your Marriage ni Dr. Les and Leslie Para. So, the marriage expert. Ayan. So, ito ang ating haul from Robinson's Lipa. Book sale Robinson's Lipa. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.